Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your washer's dual water inlet valve. The reason why you might have to do this is because the valve is leaking or because you're not getting any hot or cold water. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we're going to be using for this repair. It's a GE. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same techniques should still apply. So you're going to want to make sure your water is turned off. And now we can disconnect the hose with our channel locks. Keep in mind, when you take the hose off, there probably will still be some water in the line. So try not to spill that all over yourself. There we go. Okay. So now what we have to do is turn our washer around to get to the back of this panel. Now I need to remove these two hoses from the water inlet valve. And once I've got it loose enough, I can undo it the rest of the way by hand. Loosening it up with our channel locks, and then take it off the rest of the way by hand once it's loose. Now what I need to do is remove these 3 screws that are holding on the front panel. And I'm going to use my 1/4-inch nut driver. And once we've removed those 3 screws, we can move the control panel forward. So here's our water inlet valve. I want to take off these cords here first. Now you can see right here, I've got 2 screws holding it down. So I'm going to use my 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'll unscrew those. There we go. Now the last thing I have to do is I'm going to pull this out. And I've got this water tube here being held on by a clamp. Since this clamp is on here pretty tight, I'll just move that all the way down. And then I can get the tube off a bit easier. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement water inlet valve. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now I want to reattach the hose first. I want to push that all the way on. I'll grab my channel locks and I'll get this clip all the way up. Now I can feed it through the hole here, and I'll line up the screw holes and screw it down. And now I can plug the wires back in. And now we'll close it up. Now I'm going to reattach the water hoses. Make sure you've got your cold and your hot in the right spots. Once you've got that tightened as hard as you can by hand, use your channel locks again. Get it tightened the rest of the way. There we go. Now that those are on nice and tight, we can hook our washer back up. Slowly turn your water on just to make sure there's no leak, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.